International Women's Day takes place this year on the 8th of March, and whilst Bespoke Communications loves working with everyone to build confidence and self-belief and find their voice professionally, we're really proud to have worked with hundreds of women on our programmes and courses to help them find out just why they're there, their purpose and the value that they add. And I just wanted to share with you something that happened last week on a workshop, and something that sadly I see all too often. So I was delivering an online workshop for a particular group of people, and one of the videos that I played was from an initiative by Google called I Am Remarkable. So it plays this video where it asks women to answer the question, why are you remarkable? So I asked this then at the end of the video, can you write down on a piece of paper why you're remarkable? And then can you say it out loud? Now can you imagine? Most women were literally, and you're probably literally now going, I couldn't answer that. I couldn't say that in a workshop. And whether that's around modesty, or whether that's around social conditioning, or whether that's a real lack of self-belief, or downright self-sabotage, which us women are so good at. Anyway, it happened last week. One woman, it was an online workshop, and she got on the chat and she said, I can't do this exercise. What do you write down if you don't feel you're remarkable in any way? So I brought her through and I said, why do you feel that you're not remarkable? And she said, well, I'm not. I just do my job. I don't really do much else. I do the work that I'm supposed to do. But over the last few years, I've really just stopped connecting with people and stopped doing anything more socially with my colleagues. And then she said, I probably actually just need a good kick because, you know, it's my own fault. I've been caring for my mum who had dementia, and sadly she passed away. But since then I've become a bit of a recluse and I've really lost my mojo. And everybody was just listening to this poor woman berate herself, blame herself, judge herself, criticize herself for all the things that she should be doing, but she wasn't, because of everything she'd been going through. And I didn't have to say anything because everybody else on the chat, they'd started to say, but you're amazing. Look what you've just been through. And this is the problem. Women have always borne the brunt when it comes to caring. I know there are brilliant men out there who do fabulous jobs, but the majority of caring for whether it's children or vulnerable relatives, it falls to women, and this puts tremendous pressure on them. And therefore, you know, turning up to work is just something that they just have to do, but they're so spent emotionally elsewhere that it's so difficult to commit fully, which is why so many drop back, I believe. But I would urge you now to consider, you know, why are you remarkable? Understand those strengths and reach out if we can help you in any way, shape or form. Come on our courses and discover just all of those strengths that you have, and don't be giving yourself a kick. Give yourself a hug, reach out, make connections, get supported by other brilliant women. And if you're a people manager, why not get in touch with Bespoke Communications to see what we can do to help you retain those brilliantly experienced female members of staff and help them understand why they're truly remarkable. Happy International Women's Day from Bespoke Communications.